If you are a coffee drinker and you are interested in finding out where some of these exotic coffees come from, stay tuned. Or if you're just interested in knowing more about Africa and Zambia in particular, you will enjoy this video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget Wint. If we've never met before, I'm in Lusaka at a place called Agora Village. This is such a great idea of a business concept. This is a lifestyle type of place. They have serviced apartments over there. Let me see if I can show it. Yeah, and there's a laundry place. See, laundry place. Couple cafes, apartments. I think they are serviced apartments, and there's a restaurant over there. I bet this is like 2 acres of land, maybe a little bit more, but this is such a great idea. I didn't even know this existed in Lusaka, so I'm glad I came here. Just tasted one of the best cups of coffee I've ever had in Zambia, so I'm gonna share this experience with you. Stay tuned. So I found something really exciting at Agora Village. There's a shop that sells lovely Zambian coffee, and they actually roast it fresh for you. So let's look at the process, because I want to get one batch of this, but I like mine dark roasted. Yeah, go ahead.
Right, so this is our raw coffee beans look like before you roast them.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's raw coffee beans, guys. All right.
Yeah, so at this stage, coffee doesn't have any aromas, it has got no flavor. You can't even consume it like this.
I see.
Not until it's roasted. So
Okay.
this is the roasting machine here.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a 15 kilo roaster.
Wow, it's huge.
Yeah, so that's the maximum kilos that you can put in.
I see.
Yeah, so for you to roast 15 kgs, it takes about 13 minutes.
13 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
So we put the raw coffee beans
Up
into
there.
the hopper. So once the hopper opens, the coffee drops into the roasting drum.
I
So
see.
this is the roasting drum. As you can see, there's a window to the roasting drum here.
Okay.
So as you're roasting, we also have the sample spoon.
Uh-huh.
So a sample spoon helps us to see the desired color of the coffee beans that we want, and also to smell the aromas developing from the coffee beans.
I see.
Yeah.
All right.
So these are just 2 lamps that help us to see inside. And once the coffee is done roasting, the hopper opens, so the roasting drum opens, and the coffee drops into the cooling bin.
I see.
So this is
Now
the
that's-
cooling bin. It has got a fan underneath,
Okay.
which just sucks the heat from the roasted coffee beans
Okay.
as the agitator is rotating.
All right.
Yeah, so once the coffee cools down, it takes about maximum 5 minutes for coffee to completely cool down.
Wow.
So we just leave it for 1 hour or 2 so that it can degas.
Okay.
So once it degasses, these are just cooling bin openers.
And that's where it comes out of?
That's where it comes out.
I see. So you're not touching any of that. It comes out from here.
Yes, yes.
I see.
So once you're done, the coffee is ready to be consumed. This is what we have there on the counter.
So this is roasted here.
Yes, so we've got
Okay.
different types of roasts. This is a light roast.
Yeah,
This is a medium roast.
yeah. And then there's the dark roast there. All right. And where does all this coffee come from?
So this is Zambian coffee beans.
Okay.
Kasama.
From Kasama.
Yes.
So that is the northern part of the
Northern part of
country.
Zambia.
I see. This is such a beautiful idea. I am a coffee drinker. So this is a treat. I didn't know you guys existed here, and thank you for walking me through this. What's your name?
My name is Mwamba.
Mwamba. They should keep you and even promote you. You are excellent at what you do.
I'm actually the master roaster here.
Oh, wow. Congratulations. Please give this video a like and share it with somebody else. Maybe they'll be interested in Zambia and come over here to experience this amazing place like Agora Village.
We have used one place for
That's
the
fine.
beans.
Okay, so which is which?
So you can see this one is very fine. This is a Turkish ground.
Okay.
Yeah. And this one is also fine, but not as fine as the Turkish. This is espresso.
That's espresso. Okay.
And there's this one which is in the middle. This is for paper filter.
Okay.
Yes. This one which is a little bit coarser, it's metal filter. And the one which is more coarser is French press.
This is for?
French press.
I see. I see. I think,
Espresso grind.
yeah, let's go for the espresso grind. How beautiful that looks. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wish you God's blessings, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.